Alright, for number 8, a couple of these are done for you. We're asked to simplify the expression by first rewriting it in words and then rewriting it as a root and then actually simplifying it. So if you remember looking at part A, 9 to the 1/2 power, the numerator is always your exponent and the denominator is always your index of your root. So if we had to find the meaning of this in words, it's really just the square root of 9. You don't have to say raised to the first power because that doesn't change the value. And the square root of 9 is 3. The second one, 16 to the 3/4. Again, your index is what you always apply first here. So we're taking the 4th root of 16 and then we're raising our answer to a power of 3. So the 4th root of 16, 16's even, so what even number can you multiply by itself 4 times to get 16? And that would be 2. And then we raise it to the 3rd power, and 2 to the 3rd is 8. So part C, writing this in words, we apply the index first, which is a 2. When the index is a 2, it's really just the square root of 225. So the square root of 225. And because our numerator is a 1, you don't really have to say raised to the first power because it doesn't change the value. So the square root of 225 is 15. Next one, applying the index first. We're taking the 5th root of 32 and then applying the exponent, the 2, then we're raising our answer to the 2nd power. So raised to the 2nd power. Alright, so let's find the 5th root of 32. So since 32 is even, we're looking for an even number that I can multiply by itself 5 times in order to get 32, and that answer is 2. And then we raise our answer to the 2nd power, and 2 squared is 4. Part E, the denominator here is a 4, so we're taking the 4th root of 81, and the numerator here is a 3, so we're raising it, or raised to the 3rd power. So applying the root first, 4th root of 81. 81's odd, so what odd number can I multiply by itself 4 times in order to get 81? And that odd number is 3. And then I'm raising this to the 3rd power, and 3 to the 3rd is 27. Last one, the index is a 3, so we're taking the 3rd root of 8, and then our numerator is a 4, so it's raised to the 4th power. So applying the root first, 3rd root of 8. 8 is even, so what even number can I multiply by itself 3 times in order to get 8? And that would be 2. And then we're raising it to the 4th power, and 2 to the 4th is 16.